How to add a bio on Threads app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add a bio on Threads app. For this, you want to open the Threads application on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to add a bio, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you have the option of edit profile and share profile over here. Go ahead and tap on the edit profile option. Now you have different information such as name, bio, link, show Instagram badge, and private profile. You want to tap on the one that says bio. Now go ahead and write your bio over here. Or if you already have a bio on your Instagram app and you want to import that, you can tap on the import bio from Instagram option. Once you tap on this, automatically your Instagram profile's bio will be shown over here. But if that is not the bio you want to put, then you can simply type in another bio in this way. Then you want to tap on the tick mark option at the top right corner. Now, if everything looks good, tap on the done option at the top right corner. After that is done, as you can see, you have successfully added a bio. Remember that your bio is public. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.